Selamat pagi, good morning. So this is my apartment. Yesterday I took the video. It was for about the swimming pool and the play area for the small children. Now I would like to show you my apartment and the surroundings. So you can see here, these are some of the apartments here, and in this apartment, before there were teachers from Philippines. Now they have all shifted on the top floor, like 29, 33, and this was the apartment which was shared by not shared, actually used by the Chinese couple. They have also moved to 31st floor, and you can see this lock. This lock is going to be mine too very soon, where we have the three kind of way to open or close it. For example, if I do this is and then there's a key also, and then there's a code also. So my owner said that he's going to put the same on my door as well. Here is the 708, and then you can see this logo because there's a golf ground there, and that's why this kind of logo you'll find in all of the apartment, with the swimming pool and the golf. So this is there, and most of them, they are vacant also. Not many of them people are staying. This is the trash area, the trash, the sampah, whatever we have, the small like a domestic waste, we just put it down there. And here you can see have a bright sunshine today, because nowadays it's rainy season here, so most of the time it rains. That's why you cannot make good videos. And there you can see what the tall buildings. They have all the supermarkets, Lotte Mart, and whatever you want, you'll get it there. Even in the mall we have like two mosques, two or three churches. The mosque, it's called the Pakuan Mall. It's one of the, I think, the largest in Indonesia, what people say. And then there's a Four Points Hotel also. Korea Sheraton is also there. Westin Hotel is also there. So in the mall adjacent, you get everything there. And then there's very pretty apartments, a water place. And then there is a road which goes there down, the left side. There's a golf. You can see a man, a statue, the golf. That's a golf area. That one I'll take the video later, so you can have a look at the nice view. And then far you can see the shipyards. Most probably the beaches there, which I don't know how to go there. So far I have not been to those places, so I cannot say much. And then let's go inside. And then there's a Christmas coming, so I put it. It's Shubh Diwali also, and the Christmas decoration also. Here I went to the shopping, so you can see a lot of stuff on my table. And then there's a kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. I cook here. Here are my few things there. And then here, this is the most like a hidden place. I put all my spices and everything here, and if somebody comes also, they'll not see what all things are inside. So in my apartment, this one is the best thing which I like. This one is my husband. He sent through Arab and also prepared for me when I was coming from India. So you can see all the achar, the bonvita, and then I still have some dal and everything. I think until June I would survive with these. And then there's some atta packets here, and still have dal, some this one is a coffee, is a very famous coffee here. So I thought that my husband would come in in during Christmas time here. So I bought for him because he likes this kind of dark cappuccino. Never mind, I will drink now and then I'll buy the new one when I go to India. So here also I can see some of the dolls and everything is there here. So let's hiding time. And yeah, then I have the rice cooker here, which is multi-purpose. At present I am making tea in this, and alongside I am boiling milk for my son as well. Generally I don't give him the boiled milk because we have this kind of milk here, the Indo milk, that's empty. It is there, the fresh one in the fridge, so I just pour. But nowadays he has cold and cough, so little bit turmeric and some spices I put it. And then this is also one hot plate. Sometimes when I run out of the gas stove there, then I use it. Yeah. And so this is and then that's a washroom area. The washroom is also quite okay. Now never mind, all the amenities are there. The geyser is there, and then there's a basin, and then I have some stuffs here which I put it down because I don't have anything. I could have told to my owner, but I forget all the time. And then I had the shoes place here. And then this is one room. Basically this room is to stack the things. And this is the cupboard of Arab, where I keep all the stuffs of Arab. Though here also Arab keeps complaining, "Mommy, everywhere you have." So like a sari I bought from India, and then I have a coat which also have been stacked up. So this is basically my son's closet. Closet. Yeah, so never mind, a little messy, but then there's the ghee and the oil which my husband sent from India. Some of them are still packed, so I use it not so much. The ghee is only used by Ara because I am not fond of eating ghee stuffs. In his bag and his books, everything is here. And then this is the living space. Here we have a small couch like a sofa, and there this is the table which is used, that you can say the dining table. Our brush is there. When I get up the early morning, when I put my the paste there, on the brush I put it for Arab, so he doesn't have to bother much. He'll just start brushing. And then you can see he made some kartini. There was a kartini competition. There's a kartini national figure in Japan, in Indonesia. Sorry, accidentally I said Japan. So on Kartini Day he made this picture, and not so good, but it's okay, that my son's creation. So I put it here, and then some of the other stuffs which he created. And then we have a puja place here. Wherever I go, I bring these, my Lakshmi Mata. Some of them are very, very old actually. I don't remember also when did I buy them, but some of them, like this Hanumanji, he is going around many countries, so he's a lucky guy. And this one is Vaibhav Lakshmi's picture. I bought this, I guess, when I was in India, in New Delhi, in 2006. Yes, but then Mataji is going with me everywhere. And then I needed this Ramji's picture also for Diwali, so I got the printout from my school, and then I use this to pray. And then this one is Mata Durga. Also, I took out the print from my school. Not the print, just the picture. And then we have a printing place here, which really did a very good job. The color and everything is so good, and it's quite cheap also. I got like 2 or 3 pictures, same there. 4,000 each. Okay, 4,000 means 20 rupees, so it's very cheap. Yeah. And then I have this one. This one is also very, very old. Like, I don't remember also the year when I bought it. So some of the puja items is there, and I did not have like some table fresh, so I just use some cotton, you can see. And then like, but then the main purpose is that I should pray every day, which I do every day. Yeah. And then here comes the view from my balcony. Yesterday, which I showed, that was the pool view. I am towards the city view. So these apartments have 3 views. One is the pool view, which I showed yesterday, and this is the city view, and this is the Sartoria Tower. And yeah, so quite quiet. Some of the vehicle sound you can hear. Yeah, a bit noisy because it's like many roads there, you can see, but it's okay. And then there's on a third view, which is the golf view, which I'll show. I'll make a video on the golf view, and then the lavish lavish houses, like really lavish houses over there. I'm gonna show you later. And have a look at my kitchen garden. Oh, my husband is so kind. He sent small plant for the curry leaf, but it really grew here. Touch wood, you know. It looks very hard to maintain because I work from 6:30. I go to school at 6:30, come back at 4:15. Still, I'm trying to do my best, but then there are some bugs coming up nowadays. I don't know what to do for that. Like, for example, these ants are eating up my plants. And then tulsi plant, Sonu had sent a very small plant, tulsi, but fortunately it grew. And then this was, I trimmed it, and then a new tulsi plant is growing. And then there's a lot of pudina, aloe vera, and my son is very fond of this okra. And okra I don't see here much, except for the frozen, maybe in Pasar, like big markets, which I don't know. It's like far there that side, but that's why I'm growing these. And then I 2 or 3, when I accumulate, I make like a bhujia with potato, or make okra rice for him. Yeah. Okay, so here we have this. These are few of the palak, spinach. I have just 3 or 4 days ago, so I can see some of the small germination here. And here the makeshift arrangement, I did not have that time. The aloe vera is going in my milk, the bottle. And then there's I don't know what happened to mine, because I guess this is also getting infected by the bugs. I don't know what to do with that. And there's lots of teeny tiny tomatoes. Really disappointed me. I took a lot of care when the output came. It was really disappointing. Like not even a baby tomato. It's like very small, useless. And then this is the moringa. That's also is not so healthy. I will see what I will do for it. Yeah. And then these are the natural fertilizer. Accidentally, when I went to the golf area for walking, I got the neem tree. So from the neem leaves, I made the fertilizer. You can see here also we have the fertilizer, the neem fertilizer. And then this one is I pierced it, and then I found in YouTube what the natural way to ward off the bugs from your garden. That, and then they showed that lemon, and then the lemon, the oranges, what we eat, that one, the 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 peels of that, and then mix it with vinegar and what do you call, the liquid teacher liquid soap. So this is all, but not that much effective. Let's see how does it happen. I'm just fed up of these ants. Yeah, so this one, and then these are the very expensive items here, like onion is very expensive. Here I got like 3 onions, or there were 4 of them actually, for how much did I buy? And that also from a very local shop. 15 yeah 15 or 16,000 means or 17,000, 80 or 75 rupees. Very expensive. Vegetables are very expensive. And then we have another living room. My son Arav, he is doing something on my laptop. And say hi. Hello Arav. And he's still sleepy. We have a fan, we have AC also. And then this is my study place, sometimes used by Arab also. And here is my closet. Arab, can you take out the rice cooker, that one, the rice cooker plug, can you take it out? It's my closet. You can see it's okay, not that messy, but okay, that's okay. And that's why it's all full. And still I keep telling Sono that I need still clothes. He says, I don't know what the ladies are for, wherever. I came with 2 suitcases, and you can see the fun, all are, so some of them are being hanged also. And yeah, the school also has a lot of dramas, Now the graduation day is coming up. Now they gave the theme green color. Now what should I do? Now I have to buy green. In India I have so many green saris or green color salwar kameez, but here unfortunately no, so I have to look for it. So this is all for my apartment tour. Have a nice day, and I will keep posting because this is my free time. Holidays are there, so I have a lot of time to do all this, right? Okay, you can see the siren of the police. That's quite annoying here when the police does the patrolling. They do the patrolling. That time it's that sound. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Makasih.